Greetings everyone, welcome back. Today, we're delving into the insights of legendary investor Ron Barron. In a recent analysis, Barron shared his perspective on what he sees as a significant buy now opportunity. Join us as we dissect each point, providing an in-depth understanding of why he believes this is the time to act and not miss out. Point 1. The current market landscape. Barron begins by highlighting the uniqueness of the current market environment. What factors contribute to this uniqueness, and how does it create compelling opportunities? Let's dive into the first point. According to Ron Barron, the market is currently presenting a unique set of circumstances. This uniqueness stems from a combination of factors such as economic conditions, technological advancements, and shifts in consumer behavior. In the world of investing, unique environments often create opportunities that may not be as readily available during more typical market conditions. Imagine the market landscape as a canvas and each unique period as a brushstroke. Some brushstrokes create landscapes filled with uncertainty and volatility, while others paint pictures of stability and growth. Barron suggests that we are currently in a period where the brushstrokes are creating a canvas filled with opportunities, and it's up to investors to recognize and seize them. Point 2. Long-term investment perspective. Barron is known for his long-term investment approach, and he underscores the importance of this perspective in the current market environment. Why does he advocate for a long-term view, and how can it unlock value for investors? Let's explore the second point. Ron Barron believes that one of the keys to successful investing is having a long-term perspective. This means looking beyond short-term market fluctuations and focusing on the enduring value of investments. In a world where the news cycle and market sentiment can lead to short-term volatility, Barron's approach is a call to investors to stay the course and not be swayed by short-term noise. Imagine investing as a journey. The short-term approach might be like navigating through unpredictable weather, while the long-term approach is about setting a course based on the destination you believe in. Barron's argument is that by embracing a long-term perspective, investors can avoid the pitfalls of short-term market sentiment and benefit from the compounding effect over time. Point 3. Technology and innovation. Ron Barron. Technological advancements are creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. Barron has been known for his bullish stance on technology and innovation. What specific technological advancements does he see as game changers, and how do they create unprecedented opportunities for investors? Let's delve into the third point. Ron Barron is particularly optimistic about the role of technology and innovation in shaping the future. He believes that breakthroughs in areas such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and biotechnology are not only transforming industries, but also creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. Let's explore why he sees these sectors as particularly promising. Imagine technology as a driving force, propelling industries forward. From AI-driven advancements in healthcare to renewable energy solutions addressing climate challenges, Barron sees technology as a catalyst for positive change. By investing in companies at the forefront of these technological shifts, investors have the potential to benefit from long-term growth and innovation. Point 4. Active management and selective investing. Ron Barron. Active management and selective investing can lead to outperformance. Barron is an advocate for active management and selective investing. What does he mean by this, and how can these strategies lead to outperformance in the market? Let's explore the fourth point. In a world where passive investing has gained popularity, Ron Barron makes a case for the benefits of active management. Active management involves making strategic investment decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Barron suggests that by actively managing a portfolio and selectively choosing investments, investors can position themselves for potential outperformance. Imagine investing as a chess game. Passive investing might be akin to watching the game unfold, while active management involves making strategic moves to navigate the complexities of the board. Barron's approach is about being actively engaged in the investment process, staying informed, and making decisions based on a deep understanding of the companies in which you invest. Point 5. Economic growth and tailwinds. Ron Barron. Economic growth and positive tailwinds can propel investments forward. Barron looks beyond individual companies and sectors, considering broader economic factors. What does he see in terms of economic growth and tailwinds, and how can they propel investments forward? Let's explore the 5th point. Ron Barron believes that economic growth and positive tailwinds can act as powerful forces, propelling investments forward. As economies expand and consumer confidence grows, companies across various sectors can benefit. Barron's analysis suggests that we are in a phase where economic growth, coupled with favourable tailwinds, creates an environment ripe for investment opportunities. Imagine economic growth as a tailwind, providing momentum for companies to thrive. Whether it's increased consumer spending, favourable interest rates, or supportive government policies, these factors contribute to a positive economic environment. Barron's perspective is that investors who align their portfolios with these tailwinds can position themselves for potential success. Key takeaways and implications. Ron Barron. Seize the opportunities now. It's a unique moment for investors. In summary, Ron Barron's analysis offers several key takeaways. First and foremost, he highlights the uniqueness of the current market environment, emphasizing that it presents compelling opportunities for those who are ready to act. Secondly, Barron underscores the importance of adopting a long-term investment perspective, looking beyond short-term fluctuations to unlock value over time. Additionally, Barron's optimism about technology and innovation suggests that investors may find significant opportunities in sectors driving transformative change. He advocates for active management and selective investing, believing that a hands-on approach can lead to outperformance. Finally, Barron considers broader economic factors such as growth and tailwinds, suggesting that these elements can act as propellers for investments. The implications for investors are clear. Seize the opportunities now. Barron's analysis encourages investors to be proactive, to take a long-term view, and to carefully consider the transformative potential of technology. Whether it's through active management or aligning with broader economic trends, the key is to recognize and act on the unique opportunities presented by the current market landscape. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of Ron Barron's perspective on the buy now opportunity. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Seize the opportunities, stay informed, and until next time, happy investing.